In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory on Etsy. We'll walk through how to find your shop tools, update stock counts, use SKUs to stay organized, and tidy up your shop with sections so customers can browse more easily. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result to head to the site, then log into your account. If you run an Etsy shop, you'll see options tailored for sellers. From your account menu, open Account Settings, then navigate to your Shop Manager. This is your control center for listings, orders, and inventory. Inside Shop Manager, click Listings in the left-hand menu. This page shows every item you sell. You can open an existing listing to make changes, or create a new one if you're adding something to your catalog. Either way, you'll use the same editor to control your stock. In the Listing Editor, find the Price and Inventory section. This is where you manage quantities and identifiers. Under Quantity, enter the exact number you currently have on hand. Etsy will automatically reduce this number each time the item sells, which helps prevent overselling and keeps your shop accurate. If you temporarily run out, setting the quantity to 0 will show the item as sold out without deleting your listing. Next, add a unique SKU for the product. SKUs are internal codes that help you track and locate items in your storage. If your item has variations like color or size, assign a distinct SKU for each variation. Use a simple, consistent format you can read at a glance, something that includes the product type and the variation, so you can quickly match the order to the physical item. When your updates are complete, don't forget to click Save or Publish. Save is helpful if you're still drafting changes, while Publish makes the listing live for shoppers. Head back to the main listings page. On the right sidebar, click Manage next to Sections. Shop sections act like categories on your storefront, which improves the browsing experience and makes it easier for you to mentally group stock. Think in terms of how your customers shop. Collections like necklaces, earrings, or seasonal items often work well. Click Add Section, type in a clear, concise name, and click Save. You can return here anytime to edit or reorganize sections as your inventory grows. That's it. Keep these steps in mind each time you add or restock items, and you'll maintain a clean, accurate shop that's easy for customers to navigate and simple for you to manage.